Hi, welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering Excel 365 Advanced. My name is Kathy Jones. I'm a Microsoft trainer, and I've been consulting on and teaching Excel for over 25 years. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for analyzing data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use some of its features. This course is intended for users who are comfortable using basic and intermediate features in Excel 365 and want to learn additional features. We'll start with discussing file types available in Excel, including templates, and we'll look at how to customize the Quick Access toolbar. Next, we'll look at multiple categories of functions, including dynamic arrays, lookup functions, text, date, time, math, and database functions. From there, we'll dig into advanced filtering, advanced sorting, and data validation options. We'll also look at the subtotal function, the subtotal feature, and data consolidation. Then we'll look at how to manage pivot tables, add slicers and timelines to them, and run a macro. Next, we'll customize charts, create combo charts, and add trend lines. We'll also set up a chart template. Then we'll insert special graphics, format them, and look at ways to manipulate those graphics. In our last section, we'll discuss features that are helpful when sharing a workbook. We'll run the accessibility checker, add hyperlinks, protect sheets and workbooks, and add digital signatures. We'll also look at setting up sheet views in shared workbooks. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be comfortable with many of the advanced features of Excel 365 and use them to enhance your communication and data analysis. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in the course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.